Have you ever thought about how much money you could be making while playing games? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to make money playing games. You'll see that there are lots of different ways to make money playing games and how much you can earn. I'll also share some tips and tricks on how to succeed in gaming and get more money while doing. So, keep watching to the end, check the description box to earn $1,000 or even more each and every day, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Ever wish you could just play video games all day and make money? You can by using free cash app that pays you to play games and doing other simple tasks. Free Cash is one of the best and fastest growing apps. It has the highest payouts and offers many payment methods, including PayPal, gift cards, and cryptocurrency. Free Cash is available in Google Play and has already been installed over 500,000 times, and has a rate of 4.7 out of 17,000 reviews. You can work using your mobile, just install Free Cash app on Google Play and create a free account. You may also work from your laptop through the official Free Cash website freecash.com. Signing up with Free Cash is pretty straightforward. Click Sign Up and enter your email, username, and password. You can also register using your Google or Steam account with just one click. As soon as you register on Free Cash app, you will get a free case with a specific cash reward of up to $250. Free Cash works together with companies that want to advertise their apps, surveys, and products. A task could be download an app and reach level 5 within 2 days to earn 4,000 coins. After you have completed a task, you will get coins. 1,000 coins equals $1. You can cash out the coins for PayPal, Visa cards, Bitcoin, Amazon gift cards, and multiple other types of gift cards. Also, you can earn more coins by referring friends. Free Cash will give you 5% of all your referral earnings. The average Free Cash user can earn around $17 per day. Some users even reach $1,000 plus each month. Free Cash is a legit app for earning some extra cash online. Members are making a decent amount of money or crypto by completing high-paying offers and surveys. However, it's important to note that you cannot rely on Free Cash as your basic income source. But if you need extra cash, you can use it in your free time. In the end, don't forget to check the description box to earn $1,000 or more every day instantly. Give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.